So I want to welcome all of you. This program was founded 40 years ago by a professor named Al Rubenstein. Al had a vision, and he was basically a pioneer. We were the first professional masters at McCormick, one of the first MEM programs in the country. Now we've got 8 or 9 competitors just inside our own school here at McCormick. There's probably 100. There's 100 plus MEM programs across the world.
I've never seen a faculty member who's arrived in a relatively short period of time. John's only been here a few years, but has had phenomenal impact here on campus across a number of different dimensions, from teaching to research to entrepreneurship. You will enjoy the opportunity to hear about the impact his research is having, not just in, from traditional commercialization perspective, but also from a healthcare perspective, which I think is absolutely fascinating. So without further ado, please allow me to introduce John Rogers.
The focus of this talk is going to be around how to get innovations and ideas out of an academic lab into the real world, and I'm hoping that kind of resonates with this particular audience. I've always been interested in fundamental science, but not for the purpose of filling up textbooks or scientific journals, but for the purpose of creating knowledge that can serve as a nucleating point for new technology with broader impact. So let me just show you, because I think at CES this represented a completely new type of wearable. There's a lot of excitement around that. I mean, we're excited about it, but you never know, the public reception. Here's a video that was produced by USA Today. It's just kind of an overview of
it is looking bright here in Las Vegas for the 2018 Consumer Electronics Show. That's right, CES 2018. I've just landed, and already I have my fingertips on one of the hottest wearable gadgets I have ever seen. This is L'Oreal's UV
That was made by a graduate
Sense.
student
This
in
tiny
the labs
little
here
dot
at
that I'm
Northwestern.
holding, this is a wearable sensor. This actually goes on your fingernail. You stick it on your fingernail. It's got all kinds of tech packed inside. It tells you what the UV levels are, when you've had too much sun, when you need to reapply sunscreen. It also
L'Oreal
tells you about air pollution, pollen levels.
We don't do software.
All of that technology packed in a completely battery-free, wire-free, teeny tiny wearable. Man, if they've made a wearable this teeny tiny, can you imagine what's next?
I hope we showcase today and tonight just the integral role that technologists and STEM professionals can play in creating new business, right? The unique opportunity that only STEM professionals can bring to the role of entrepreneurship, management, and business formation, right? And in my mind, that's what MEM is all about, and that's why we're here tonight. So thank you. Hopefully you enjoyed the dinner. Hopefully you enjoyed the talk, and I'll see you in the next 40 years, right? Okay.